Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to make portrait and landscape pages in the same document in Microsoft Word. When I preview the document, all the 7 pages are in portrait shape. And I want second page in landscape. How can I convert second page into the landscape? Let's see. Just first page is portrait, and let's go to the second page in first line, and I go to the page layout and break section break, and there is a option next page. Just click it. The page is break. The page section is break now, and go to the page setup and select landscape and this section and press OK. Landscape, this section, and OK. Now you can see the preview. First page is portrait, and second is landscape, and third is also landscape. But in third, I want to convert these into the portrait. Remaining are the portrait. Now I go to the third page, like this is a third page. Second page is a landscape, and third page will be portrait. And just go to the page layout, page break, section break, and next page, and also go to the page setup, and there is an option portrait and this section, and press OK. Remaining are the portrait. And go to the preview, and first page is portrait, second page is landscape, third page is portrait, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7. Now go to the home. Dear friend, you can make any page into the landscape, and remaining are the portrait in Microsoft Word very easily. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.